What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. TGS here, also known as Tech Gun Sports Lover. Today we're going to take a look at this multi-nation travel adapter with USB charger. This was sent to me by a company that goes by the name of Forrader, and I've done a couple of their products, and they're all reasonably priced and all quality products. So this is what this little adapter looks like. Taking a look at the device, seems to be well built, made out of a hardened plastic. If you look on the right hand side, you do have two USB ports. Moving to the other side, you do have markings here for UK, Europe, USA, and Australia. Depending on what country you're in, that's the setting you're going to use. And basically what you do is, if you're coming from the United States, basically we use you plug it in right here in the top, and then you push this and slide to it for whichever country you're in, whether it be the UK, Europe, or Australia. So if you're going to Australia, you're going to slide that out, plug it into the wall, and your device will start charging. If it's Europe, it's going to push down, and you have a European adapter. If you're going to the UK, you're going to slide it to the left and plug it into the wall. The other good thing about this is you do indicator lights right here and right here, so when it's actually plugged into the wall, then you'll know that it's in fact working. Again, the added benefit of the US is always going to come in handy if you need to charge additional devices. So that's pretty much it, guys. Really quick video. This is the multi-nation charger, our travel adapter with USB charger, sent to me by Forrader. Really interesting device, really useful device. I'll leave information down below to where you can pick this up at, both on Amazon and their website. Thanks for joining me, guys.